In this era where our minds are cluttered with so much information and overwhelmed with going in so many directions, what do you think you need the most to be able to acquire and reach that inner peace? Well, the same way when you're off balance in your back and your body, you go to a chiropractor, there's a way to actually adjust your brain. That's brain power. What is brain power? Meditation. Meditation is actually the time you take for yourself to be able to refocus your mind in the right area. I remember a friend of mine and I used to challenge each other. We said, look, we studied this morning a certain specific esoteric concept. Let's meditate on it every day 8 times, just like you drink 8 cups of water. Let's meditate 8 times for 1 minute at a time. I finally succeeded to do it for 4 times, and each time I would send him a text. But that 1 minute of full concentration, disconnection from the world, actually helped me get my sanity back. So if you want to be sane, if you want to be able to own yourself, this is the time to take 1 minute, a few times a day, on your clock with a reminder to just disconnect and start calming your brain down. Join us for our next series where we'll be speaking about how to meditate and how to breathe.